Good morning, children. My dear children, hope all of you are safe and secure. And today is a new day, and really a new day is very beautiful day for everyone. And in this day we have to learn some new things, some good things in our life. Every day we have to learn something in our life. So always we have to try to learn some new things. We can learn in every things. So my dear children, always try to learn new things in our life. Okay, so today I am going to teach you some communication thing, means of communication. Before going to start this chapter, we all living with our family, yes or no? In our family, our mother, our father, our brother, sister, grandma, grandpa, uncle, auntie, all are there in our home. We all are living with our elders. We all are living with our parents, yes or no? So in our home, we are talking with our parents. They are also talking with us. Whatever we are thinking, that we are expressing to our parents. So this is the way. Speaking is a way to communicate with our parents, yes or no? Sometimes some action we are doing to say something. Some action are also there. They can understand very easily if you will say in action something. But children, those who are all are very far to us, how can we will communicate with them? Those who are not near with us, they are very far, they cannot see us. Then how can we will say something if you want to say? So there are some communications are there, that in through that communication, means of communication, we can communicate those people who all are very far from us. Okay children, so in our GK copy today we are going to learn about the communication, means of communication. What are the means of communication are there, how they are helping us, that we can know from this chapter. Okay children, so we communicate with others by speaking. In our home we can communicate with others, with our family members and others peoples also, like our friend, our neighbor. We can communicate with others by speaking, writing, seeing, reading, and through our action. Do you know children, in the olden day, messages were sent from place to place through pigeon. That time one pigeon was there, and they had taken the message from one place to another place, and these pigeon are known as messenger pigeon. Do you know that? Yes, in the olden day, one pigeon are helping us to take the message from one place to another place. But now the pigeon are not here. We are using some others communication to communicate with others, yes or no? So my dear children, open your GK book, page number 14. Here, means of communication. Means of communication. See, so what are the pictures? Everybody, I hope you all know all the name of this communication. Yes, we all are using this mobile phone, this TV. So again I am going to tell you that name of this means of communication, what are we are using. Okay, what is this, children? Can you tell me the name of these things? Yes, we all know that mobile phone. This is a picture of a mobile phone. What is this picture, children? This is a picture of a mobile phone. Yes or no? Yes, this is mobile phone. In this mobile we can see rhymes, some pictures, and we can take our photo also. Yes or no? Very lovely photo we are taking, and rhymes we are watching, and so many things we can do with our phone. And see, what is this? Newspaper. What is this, children? Newspaper. This is newspaper. And this is radio. This is picture of a radio. This is internet. This picture is internet. Magazine. This is a magazine. And this is telephone. What is this? Telephone. And this is picture of a television. Again, read this, all these things. mobile, mobile. phone, phone, mobile phone. Internet, internet, internet. Newspaper, newspaper, newspaper. This is magazine, 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 maga. See this picture, children? magazine, magazine. Telephone, telephone, telephone. This is television, television, television. Again, what is this, children? Mobile phone, newspaper. Newspaper. Have you seen a newspaper, children? Yes, everybody we know newspaper. We have already seen a newspaper also. Newspaper print the latest news. We can read about the important event around us in the newspaper. Through this newspaper print the latest news. We can read about the important event around us in the newspaper. They also carry advertisement. This newspaper also carries advertisement. And this is radio, radio, radio. The radio broadcasts the latest local, national and international news. This radio broadcasts the latest local, national and international news. What is this, children? Internet. Internet. In internet, we can send our message very quickly. In internet, our message go very quickly by email. This is magazine, magazine, magazine. This is telephone. What is this, children? Telephone. We can talk to people who are away from us. Through this telephone, we can talk to people who are away from us by using telephone and cell phone also. This helps us to pass and receive urgent message. In cell phone, it is very useful to pass the phone to other people. If we want to send an urgent message, then we can pass the cell phone also. We can also long distance call over telephone. We can also call long distance. If the person are very far away, they are staying the distance is very long, then also we can talk with telephone. Now this is television. What is this picture? Television. Everybody know what is television? We love to watch movie, we love to watch TV, and our father, our parents, our mother, our parents, they are watching news here. Yes or no? We can watch news and views on the television. Some movies, some serials are here, we can watch in the television. So children, here in this chapter, what we learn? We learn means of communication. What are that? Mobile phone, newspaper, radio, internet, magazine, telephone and television. Now, my dear children, open your GK copy. We will write all this name in our GK copy. Dear children, see means of communication. In your GK copy, write the name of the chapter, means of communication. MEAN, mean of communication. Means of communication. In number 1, what we will write here children? Yes, mobile phone. M O B I N E, mobile phone. P H O N E, mobile phone. MOBILE, mobile. PHONE, phone, mobile phone. Now, newspaper. Newspaper. N E W S, news paper. P A P E R, paper, newspaper. NEWS, news. PAPER, paper, newspaper. Now, number 3. Here we will write radio. R A D I O, radio. RADIO, radio. Then internet. What we will write here? Internet. Internet. INTERNET, internet. Then magazine. What we will write here children? Let's write magazine here. M A Z A magazine. magazine, magazine. Then telephone. Here we will write telephone. T E L E P H O N E, telephone. TELEPHONE, telephone. Then television. TELE, television. VISION, television. Mobile phone, newspaper, radio, internet, magazine, telephone, television. Now let's all this again. MOBILE, mobile. PHONE, phone, mobile phone. Newspaper, NEWS, news. PAPER, paper, newspaper. Radio, RADIO, radio. Internet, INTERNET, internet. Magazine, MAGAZINE, magazine. Telephone, TELEPHONE, telephone. Television, TELEVISION, television. Dear children, today what we learn in this chapter, we came to know if you communicate with others, those who are very far with us, far from us, if you want to talk with them, then we will use so many ways are there. These things we call means of communication. These are the things we can communicate with our near and dear. Okay children, so my dear children, write all the means of communication names in our GK copy and read this chapter loudly and by heart all the spelling. Practice to read all the means of communication and try to by heart all the spelling also, and write all the means of communication, the name of all these things, each names write 5 times in your GK copy. So my dear children, again today what we learn? We learn means of communication and some and their uses, how we use it, that we came to know. So my dear children, again you write all the names 5 times. Each names you have to write 5 times in your GK copy and read this chapter number 13. Open page number 14, means of communication. Chapter name is means of communication. You have to read this chapter and try to by heart all the names. Again, dear children, every day we have to learn some new things. So always try to learn what are the things we are getting that we have to learn, and take care of yourself. Be safe at home and obey your parents and study properly. And be a good child. Always try to be a good child.